Connie Reyes' children grew up seeing their mom dedicate her time to her chosen profession. Ngunit hindi raw yun dahilan para isantabi ng TV host actress ang kanyang responsibilidad bilang ina kina L.A., Carla Mumar at Vico Soto.
Nung naalala ko nung bata pa ako, talagang siya yung magpre-prepare ng mga gamit or kunyari may mga school functions kahit puyat na yan sa taping, yung mga reply slip ko na iniiwan ko lang dun sa may bungad ng pintuan namin, palagi niyang napipirmahan at palagi niya naalagaan. Sa mga school functions or activities, I used to play sports before. She would try her best to watch kahit na ngarag na yan, kahit na sobrang hilong-hilo na yan, kahit umuwi ng alas 4, alas 5, tapos may event ako sa school ng 7 or 8, talagang tsatsagain niya.
Well, since she's a working mom, di ba, we'd like to be able to spend more time with her, pero she's working. Pero she was able to balance it naman. Family is always first for her. So.
Si Mama always makes time for family, for her children. Kahit na busy siya with her work, every time may parent-teacher conference, every time may event, yung mga play ng mga grade school, di ba? She would always be there.
Is their mama Connie the strict type?
Ay, oo, sobra. Ang tawag sa akin dati nung sa school, Cinderella boy, dahil kahit lalaki ako, and you can, even my wife knows that, na talagang I had to be home by 12 o'clock.
Nasa tama na lang. I think every parent, would have guidelines, for their children.
Isang maasikasong ina, may nakahihigit pa bang katangian ang kanilang mama Connie? Ngayon,
medyo uso na kasi yung text, so magte-text sa akin yan every so often na ini-encourage niya lang ako pag alam niya may mga pinagdadaanan ako or mag-send ng mga verses yan. Kami ng mama ko, we'd always talk. Nung nakatira pa ako sa kanila, we'd always talk till mga 2, 3 a.m. Anything under the sun, or at least anything under the moon. Talagang yun yung, at least kami yun yung bonding namin ng mama ko. Kasi I'm a talker and she's a super talker. My mom is very animated, very dramatic, no? And pag nagalit sa amin yan, parang feeling namin nasa soap opera din kami. And I think my siblings can attest to that. Pero in the same light naman, hindi naman negative, but on the positive side naman, pag masaya yan, pag tawa ng tawa yan, talagang mahahawa lahat ng tao sa lakas ng tawa, sa gulo, sa kakwela niya. Talagang, but my mom's very dramatic. On camera, Conres, on camera, and also off camera.
Mababaw lang si Mama. Mababaw yung kaligayahan niya. So, madali naman siyang patawanin.
Si Mama makulit din yan eh. Siguro mas kilala siya ngayon bilang dramatic actress. But she's also very funny. She's a komedyante din si Mama.
One of the things na talagang na-impart niya sa akin at sa mga siblings ko din at ini-impart niya din sa mga apo niya is to never give up. Palagi niya sinasabi yun because she could have easily given up in life. She had so many challenges at, a lot of people know some of the challenges that she went through. Pero sinasabi niya sa akin, don't give up. Take it one day at a time to trust God. Unti-unti lang and makakaraos din.
Among Connie's kids ay si L.A. pa lang ang pamilyado. Married to Macy Mendoza with 2 children. Maging ang katangiang yun ni Connie ay lubos na nakita ng kanyang manugang.
So, nung napapanood ko pa siya on TV as Connie Reyes, parang, syempre, celebrity, and parang far away kasi, di ba, sa TV ko lang siya nakikita. So, I didn't know how she would really be. But she'd always seem nice on TV, na parang nagpapatawa, funny, gano'n. Tapos, nung nakilala ko na siya, nung naging part na ako of their family, true naman, she's just as kind and just as funny and just as good in person as what you see on TV.
Maging ang dalawang anak ni na Ellie at Macy ay malapit sa kanilang lola.
Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you for giving me allowance every month. I love you. Happy birthday, Lola. Thank you for giving me so many chocolates. Love you, Lola.
At bilang isang pamilya, sama-sama nilang ipinagbubunyi ang ika-40 taon ng kanilang mama Connie.
I'm proud of you. I'm sure all si Macy, si Lorenzo Mateo, si Vico, si Carla, we are all proud of you. And we know na hindi pa tapos ang 40 years. Marami pang mga years na ibibigay sa si God na magiging influence ka pa sa industry. Tapos enjoy mo rin itong dito ka sa GMA, kung saan ka nagsumula. Yan, di ba? Yun ang kinikwento mo sa akin ng mga panahon na hindi pa ako pinapanganak. And enjoy every step of the journey. I'm glad that you are enjoying your work and being an influence sa mga nakapaligid sa'yo. Saka happy birthday! I won't say na how old, but happy birthday and more birthdays to come. I love you.
Congratulations and happy birthday. I'm looking forward to more vacations with you. And cheers. I love you, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you so much. Thank you for everything. And thank you for loving us and being such a great example and a great mother. I love you.
And as your son, and also as your fan, I'm very proud of you. And ang wish ko sa'yo is that you'd have 40 more years in show business. And also advance happy birthday. I love you. I wish for all the best for you. I pray for good health and more success.
Happy anniversary! And advance happy birthday! We love you!
I love you too. Thank you.
Ano, dami na, no?
Nga po. Maraming salamat.
Bumubungis-ngis ka pa nung lagay na yan. Pero lumaki ng ganyan. Ano, happy
Diba?
ka?
Napagtyagaan ako ng mga anak ko.
Oo,
Pati mga apo ko ngayon, napagtyagaan nila. Hindi. Sobra naman yung buhay ko talaga. Nagkaroon ng meaning. Many times in my life, I wanted to give up. Pero pag naalala ko yung mga anak ko, paano na sila?
Yeah, tama yun.
Alam mo, Joey, ako, I think you've learned about this. Twice in my life, I tried to commit suicide. Hindi alam mo marami yun. But I always think about my children. Sabi ko, Lord, if I love my children, I know you love them more. Kaya parang ayoko na. Nagwawala na ako. I got into a real severe depression. Not many know that, ba? I resigned even from work and all that. Nag-resign ako sa Itbulaga and all that. But God is so good. That year, the year that I was so depressed was also the year that I met the Lord Jesus and surrendered my life to Him. So hindi mo masasabing totally bad yung year na yon kasi tinurn around ni God for good, for my good, and for His glory yung nangyari sa buhay ko. So I'm so grateful to God for everything. I'm grateful to God for all the people I've worked with this past 40 years. Kayo, Tito Vic and Joey, Mr. Tuviera, sila Mr. Ilarde, Eddie Ilarde, Bobby Ledesma, Helen Vela is much a part of me. Lahat ng nakasama ko sa trabaho, both from, may I say it, no? Even from the other channel, ABS-CBN, GMA, sobrang grateful ako. Dito ako nagsimula sa GMA, and I know that the Lord has a reason why I'm here again. And I'm really very happy, Joey.
Okay.
Thank you.
At ako'y happy din nagkita tayo. Hindi ko alam yung kinikwento mo, ha? Bukas ang pinto namin o next week.
Alam ni...
Ano ba yun?
Sa Star Talk, sa inyong lahat, for all the effort putting this together.
Oh.
I super appreciate it. Thank you so
Nakakatuwa yung mga
much.
anak mo. Makikita mo talaga kung ano magulang
Okay.
sa anak. Hindi, mag-reflect yun.
Grateful ako.
Hoy, para sa iyo to, habang nagpo-promote ka mga kaibigan, baka makakalimutan pa natin. Connie,
Maraming salamat.
I love you, darling.
I love you, Joey.
Love
Thank you so much. Give my love to Aileen.
Okay. Sige, kwento mo na. Ano mong nasa GMA ka na?
Oo. Abangan po ninyo sa June 2 na ang dalawang Mrs. Real. Pagkatapos po niya ng Kambal Sirena. Of course, kasama ko dyan si Ding Dong Dantes, Lovie Po, and Maricel Soriano.
Yun yung dalawang Mrs. Real.
Oo.
Okay, mas abangan nyo.
Ang character ko dyan si Sonia Real. At magiging ano yan eh. Parang magiging kumarin nyo yan. You'll be able to identify with you'll love her kahit makulit siya.
Abangan nyo yan. Connie,
Thank
maraming
you,
salamat.
Butch, and Ricky, and Manay Lolit. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And the staff and crew. And of course, ang puso dyan, si Heart. Heart, thank you.
Ayun. Thank you, Connie. At laging bahagi ka ng puso ko, ka mag-alala. Hindi, kahit mag-alala ka. Hindi naman may tatatwain. Na tayo'y magkasama habang buhay. Wala nang tatalo sa record nun, palagay ko. Sa haba nun at sa pagsasama natin lahat. Sabi nga ni Tito, kung ano may sinabi ni Tito, I agree.
Tito, Helen, mahal na mahal ko kayo.
Okay. Mga kaibigan, Connie Reyes. At bukod sa pagbabalik ni Connie si GMA, magkabalik din ng Kapuso Milyonaryo. Bukas na po yan, ilulunsad ng Kapuso Milyonaryo. Level Up Panalo, bahagi pa rin ako nung 5th season na yan. Kasama ko si Alden Richards. More than 25 million pesos worth of prizes ang pamamahagi. Join na, level up na. At magbabalik pa ang Star Talk. Connie Reyes, ang dalawang Mrs. Real.